Good evening, traders. Welcome to Crypto and Chill, episode Kappa, but episode 438 of the show. Thank y'all for being here on such short notice. Definitely like 2.5 hours late for the night stream, but you know, whatever, dude. A man will do what he must do, all right? Understand that. So it happens. And I'm here anyway, dude. Could have just been like, nah, screw it, man. I got home, just going to bed, man. Just going to chill out, watch Netflix, do things. But, you know, whatever. We're here just to look at Bitcoin that has somehow gotten outside of the Pennant and is just still up sloping. And you still do not have any positive momentum. When we were at the top of the candle, right, we're, you know, see the wick right there, a little bit of rejection at right around 5,300. We were starting to show some positive momentum on the histogram, but my God, man, where is it, dude? Give me my freaking positive momentum before I lose my freaking mind. All right, just keep on extending it out. Shim Yang, thanks so much for following on Twitch. Welcome to House Harmonic, thanks. All right. I'm saying eventually this is what, dude, is it not like kind of playing? You see what I'm saying? You're just losing all your negative momentum. So if you just keep on up sloping like this, eventually to start getting positive momentum, it's going to be extremely lower than the previous level. And, you know, just keep on floating on up. And then at resistance points, you're going to have it. And you're going to say, hey, with very high confidence now, I can believe that we'll be breaking down bearishly, maybe the bottom of the channel or lower. But that's what 4-hour bearish divergence does, man. We love it. We covet it. Thou shalt not covet on anything in life except bullish or bearish divergence on either oscillator. Okay. There was some sort of rule about it. They talked about it at the... Had something, dude. I don't even know. Okay. It's too late to be witty here. All right. We're not trying to be witty. We're just trying to give you a quick update on Bitcoin and the other S coins. All right. So that's it, man. We broke the pennant. We said... Dude, what is even the thumbnail? What is my thumbnail? Like, we're about to move. Something's about to happen. I don't even know, dude. Pennant, cool stuff. All right, we're out. But, dude, 53.34 right there is that wick. That's the highest high of the entire impulse, April 3rd, right? So we actually, believe it or not, on this Coinbase chart, the wick we made on the last 4-hour candle is the highest high we've seen since when? Since November 20th, when we were just getting destroyed. Okay, great. That's really trashy resistance. Very trashy resistance. Okay, some more, stronger, you know, whatever. Excuse me. I don't even know. What in the world, man? I'm so scaled out. Okay. So yeah, you're facing, you know, after a huge impulse like that, you're gonna stall out a little bit. Your oscillator's gonna reset, all that. But daily still extremely powerful. Right, just looking like, I mean, crazy. Like, look at all the, you haven't lost any positive momentum this whole way up, and you're so high on the RSI. You're about to be surpassing the previous high, which was 88. Well, it was 91, you know, with the candle opened and the candle closed at 88, but we've seen it higher. But you're currently right now almost 88, 87.95 on the RSI on the daily, dude. That is, wow. Something's got to give, but we are right now, as you can see, above the 52.31 area, the golden retrace. But I know in between these wicks and candles, this is like the golden pocket. I learned is a term they use too. It's between the 618 and the 65% retrace, right? 0.65. I'm like, okay, whatever, dude. 0.65. Great. So golden pocketing at the golden retrace. At the top, at the tail end of the golden zone. All we need now is golden grams. Imagine trading a golden cross at the golden pocket with golden grams for breakfast, man. That'd be crazy Inception stuff. I don't know what's going on, man. Hold on. It's been sifting my tea. You want to call that the green tea, dude? I needed something, dude. I'm dead. My whole body's like jello right now. Give me a sec. So just hang tight, man. I haven't done anything. I got home, made the tea, came straight up here and hit live after changing the title of the stream. So just bear with me a sec. One sip of this tea. It's like Popeye and spinach, man. Side girl, that's an amazing picture. When was that, Side girl? With the Hodge twins. Oh my god. Please tell me it was recent, because that is so cool. You should have brought up the fact that we always say, Beach ain't doing things. This tea is so good, man. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. So what's up, y'all? Bitcoin on the daily, Bitcoin on the 4-hour, Ethereum on the daily. I don't see how Ethereum would be done, right? Yeah, it's not done. But look how close we are. We are like at the entry. Jeez. No breaks on Ethereum. You know, it's looking more like 190, right? Jeez, 195. I mean, I know you're overbought right now on the daily, but that positive momentum is just continuing to build. But dude, look at that, is so nice. Let's see how it plays, man. Daily time scale, big deal. Bullish engulfing into more green. Stupendous. Okay. Remember the end of the world in November? And this thing was like dumping way more hard than Bitcoin, and we're just like into the world for Ethereum. You can't say we didn't get a good short on it, but hey man, whatever. We're back. Sarah Lee, thanks for just joining our House Harmonic. Thanks. Kings, Queens. Much love. Verge Connect, what was that, up 10% or something, dude? Let me see. Verge Connect, currently up 7%, 7.57%. Look, it was like, we do the video on Verge Connect, it broke out, so I'm able to leave and do a late stream. Okay. What do you want, man? I'm giving you Verge Connect, dude. I gave you Verge Connect for like 2 weeks on multiple static videos in analysis anytime we're live and someone asks about it, right? That was quick buck, right? Okay, Ethereum daily, really at the entry for this pattern at the 1414. You are there's nowhere else. You should not go any higher than this. It'll really. I know you could go 1618, but you are at the 3618 from B to C fib extension. You going higher pretty much kind of invalidates this pattern if you go really much higher than where we are now. Okay, it shouldn't go higher. We're literally right at it. Okay, that's your bearish butterfly inside the very large potential bullish Gartley. Oh my God. Harmonicception. We're gonna make a movie. All right, XRP to USD. Oh wow, dude. Oh my God, dude. We rejected higher prices again. Wow. So surprising. So surprising, man. Daily time scale, doing nothing. You did end up bullishly engulfing yesterday on the close, but again, nothing from it, just rejecting higher prices. Up sloping resistance, down sloping resistance. Both of those just being respected. It sucks, man. It really sucks. But, I mean, you're not overbought, so you do have the room to break to the upside. Maybe you just crap around for a little bit longer and keep going even lower on your RSI so you have more room to run when you do break to the upside. But, man, you rejected that 200-day moving average so freaking hard. Remember last time we did that? Rejected the 200 moving average, 200-day moving average, selling. Yeah, it's been tough, man. It's been tough for Ripple on that 200-day moving average for a long time now. So broke the Pennant on a Sunday. It wasn't really a break. We did break it, I guess, Alex, but we would call it more like a walkathon. It kind of it paced itself, you know, was jogging or yogging, strolling. That's Bitcoin. Okay, we don't really care how it happens, but it did happen. Yeah, sure. Cobb, man, the king, Alex Cobb. Check him out if you like XRP. He knows more than anyone about XRP. He's the XRP king, man. That's it. Oh my God. Dev T, dude, thanks so much for joining the Patreon, dude. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it, and it means everything. Because people like you, I'm able to come back multiple times a day and reinvest in the stream all the time, and I'm able to give you analysis. And here I am at 1:30 a.m. Eastern, just coming by. I gave you the big 3 update. Let's go look at Verge Connect. Didn't look like anything too special on my mobile, but I can't even barely see on my mobile because of the scaling here, dude. When you scale like this for the sake of education and streaming, you really can't even use the mobile app, because when you open up the mobile app with these saved settings, this is like 75% of the screen, just the price. It's like, what am I supposed to do, man? What am I supposed to do? I'm too lazy to turn it into landscape mode. Anyway. Verge Connect. Breakout Connect. 200-day moving average Connect. Let's go, baby. All right. Let's go. 8% up right now. All right. And here's the thing. From that high to low point, you are hitting the 50% retrace and pulling back. There's also some resistance looking left over here to be expected on why you might pull back there. This is a daily time scale. This is a very slow time scale. So you will be waiting and waiting for maybe a week or two until you get to these targets. Probably, unless it pulls a crypto, and we know what crypto does. Crypto wants to go nuts, it can, and we're cool with it. All right. Remember Metal, dude? Metal was in the same graduating class as Verge Connect in terms of the breakout class. You know, our top 5 altcoin setups or whatever, you know. So there you go. That's great, man. Great news. We broke out. We were able to make a video on it, the fact that we did it, but this has been a trade setup for a while now. Been a trade setup, and now we wait. We wait to be kings. Congratulations, all you Verge peoples out there, dude. We're at 200 sats. Hey, whoever that guy was who was being, I think, extremely irresponsible with his position, congratulations. You got it this time, man. You got it this time. Jeez. Yeah, Mr. Cantom, those were really nice comments from Muhammad, dude. I agree. Thanks, Muhammad, man, for those kind words. It means a lot, all right? It's not gone unnoticed. Sorry, dude. I haven't really looked at chat. Sub Zion. The Lion. Lion Ted. Sorry. Sub Kang Logan. Julia. Eric Coffeen. Leander. 1G Project. Rising Wedge. That is correct. I meant to say Falling Wedge. Whatever. You got it right this time. What's up, Mr. Meme? Kinda kid. You dig the late night video, man? I live to serve. Eli Bach. Yep, there you go. XVG looking good. Because of you, Eli Bach, I looked at it for you. All right. Dominic Cruz, man. How you doing? Herbert, TA with me. That's it, dude. Sean Hunter. He's at work stocking these shelves. Glad I came on late night shift, yeah? What's up, dude? Thanks, Sean Hunter, man, for being here. I just hope I don't distract or anything. Okay. I don't know. I think a lot of people use this as kind of like a radio show. I didn't know this. I'm learning. People just use it for the auditory. So if I am closer to the mic, I sound more like a radio personality. Oh my god, man. WRAY. Okay. Whatever. Maybe I'm wrong. Probably really wrong. I'm just talking about anecdotal evidence from a lot of people that tell me. What's up, Pete G? Alex, we are Kangs, man. What's up, Dron K? Saint of Last Resort says crypto. Yeah, dude. We're hyped on crypto. We're crypto and chill. Ugh. Had you nervous, Kevin Tear? Why were you nervous, man? Oh, that I maybe wasn't streaming. What's up, Nicholas S? Crypto Don Juan, man. Thanks for the sunglasses, dude. Holy crap. Whew. Well, Mohammed, man, I'm glad you're back, dude, okay? Morgan Freeman. Oh my god, it's Morgan Freeman, dude. You keep subbing to me, but YouTube is kicking you out of... That's not how it works, I don't think, Morgan Freeman. Alright. That's so cool. That's so cool, Psy Girl. That really is. How hilarious would it be for me to... I would love to interview them. I'd love to put my collegiate interviewing skills to the test against the Hodge twins. It'd be fun. Angel, roll tide. That's right. Sorry, dude. Oh boy. Yeah, of course, DevT, of course, man. Bat Connect? Yeah, we can look at Bat Connect. It's a shame. It's a dang shame we sold off so much of that first target hit. Bat Connect. No good, man. No good. Yeah, you're breaking the channel. Just not looking good for you, right? We had the high to low, the entry. We ran up, hit the first target, and we have since sold off pretty hard. And you're out of dude, the slipping channel, not good. I think you're okay. I think you're safe on bat until you break below 5,600 is the... You better not break it, dude. You better hold this. This is serious support. We're not joking here. You do not want to fall back inside of this crazy range. Look at the daily real quick so you can get a better viewpoint. All right. Dude, range bound. You better hold. That's all I can tell you, dude. Just stay above it, and everything else will work out if you stay above it, okay? Maybe look, another candle high close. Wicks. This is it, man. 56 hundo. And the thing is, like, you could, like, you know, round out below it, you know, come back, all that. My 50-day moving average not be tested because you're now below the 200-day the 20-day moving average on BAT. Negative momentum picking up, but look at the volume, how pathetic the volume is on the selling. That's great. You love pathetic volume when you're at a critical support, showing just how little selling pressure there is. at this time. Okay. A back connect, man. Okay. It was okay. It was promising. One target hit. Hey, let's stick it to Casey Stubbs. Casey Stubbs is always like, no, all in for the most part on a lot of these patterns. Not all in, and I mean it's like go big or go home is Casey Stubbs. They're like most of the time never getting that first 382 target. They don't go for it, which I think is like, okay, you're not gonna layer out a little bit just in case it fails like this. Well, we like the layer out at the 382. We like that first target, and it served us well because now here we are. Here we are back where we started, being like, what are we gonna do, man? Hold 5,600 or you're screwed, probably. I mean, you know, screwed-ish, because you could come down and hit 5,000 sats, rounded number, and the 50-day moving average, and then bounce off that. It'll happen, man. You've been above the 20-day moving average since late February. And so now it might be time to come test the bottom part of the equilibrium zone for our candles. That's what the 50 is. Okay. Back connect. Dude, I'm tired. My head hurts. I'm jello. What did we just look at? Oh yeah, Verge Connect. Julia says, what's up, Dave Jones? Crypto 2 Dems, man. You're gonna get the crypto. Alright. What's up, Michael L? Hainsey. Just throw on widespread panic shuffle or something, dude. What, you don't like the... Oh my god. I'm sorry, the whole stream's been ruined. Because I was unaware that the music was so loud. I'm sorry, y'all. That's my bad. So annoying, man. It's like, dude, I'm telling you, this is why other streamers don't do music. Well, it's one of the reasons. The other reason is because they use ad revenue, which I don't do. I don't monetize like they do. Oh, PowerPoint Connect. Oh my god, dude. Thanks, Angel. Appreciate it. Yeah, we can look at, hey, why not, man? Why not look at Ethereum Classic again, right? Dude, this one was, man, beautiful. Did we break, though? No, we did not break. Oh, TA, we love you so much, man. And I know there's way more data on other exchanges. You don't have to tell me, dude. But on this chart by itself, anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top, and now 4 on the top. We exceeded the measured move of the symmetrical triangle, the breakout. Beautiful. Look at the volume here. And from the high point to low point, 62% retrace. Golden pocket, man. Golden zone. Top of the golden zone, out of it. And now kind of showing a little bit of weakness finally. Woo. To be expected when you hit like 90 on the RSI on the daily. It happens. Okay. So way above that 200-day moving average. Good job, Ethereum Classic, for respecting the living crap out of the TA, you know, going slightly beyond the measured move and then hitting a downsloping resistance like perfectly. It's so nice, man. It's so nice. Okay, there's your Ethereum Classic, dude. That's it. Encash Connect is holding up well versus Bitcoin, Donovan. Yeah, I hope to see it move too, man. It's kind of tough though. I don't even understand, man. These low S coin S or sats, the low sat S coins. Sorry. They'll move up a sat and they'll be like overbought. Like I don't even know, man. They'll literally move a sat or two and it's just like, whoa. Look at the oscillators. They're insane. All right. Doge much? Doge doing things, man. Yeah. What's up, Henry Hine? I look tired? Yeah, dude, I am tired. I'm certainly tired. I know, no offense, man. It's all good, dude. If I look tired, it's going to happen, right? I'm the only crypto YouTuber with music that you know of. Yeah, because I'm the only one that doesn't shill coins and I don't monetize. So I can play music. I have the ability to do, the freedom to do it because of y'all, because of this incredible community. It's only because of y'all I'm able to do this, all right? You see everything, the graphics and the smoothness of the streaming. Hey, let me know if has anyone seen the screen melt? The people that are on acid right now don't answer, but the people that are not on acid, is my screen melting at all? Well, look at it, Mr. Don Juan.
Digitex update plus DGTX.
Oh man, it's good. Thanks, dude. Drew Crew, man. Oh my god. Yeah, man.
Drew Crew tipped $100. Bro, crypto is one thing. I'm just glad your beard game is back on point. Grow it to show it, my dude.
Dude, Drew Crew, man. Go Red Sox. Dude, thanks so much for the C note. Look, we made the rule. It was someone suggested it. Don't grow your beard back until we fall back below the wall of Westeros, which is 4,200. So I have the freedom to, I do not have freedom to shave until we fall back below 4,200. So I might very well be screwed, but I might also be okay. I don't know. That's it, dude. Oh man, I need a better tea sifter, dude. I know. Look, I'm using the Vet Moon Boy space capsule one, right? This one. Okay, it's little Vet Moon Boy, right? Here he is. He's gonna take us to the moon, man. But it's like these holes are too big. That's what she said. But you get it. I mean, the tea leaves just go through it. It's unfortunate, man. It's quite unfortunate. Drew, man, that's extremely generous, and I'm very, very grateful, man. Love you, dude. Thank you. Whew. Interrupting Nick Saban getting tackled by his own player, yeah. Oh god, don't start with TTD, dude. Are you kidding me, man? So what are we looking at on DGT BTC futures?
Thank you, Mitch.
Is that a joint?
Conspiracy, thank you, man. With 420. The marijuana's in the jar. Really appreciate that. Gangs. Very cool. So what was developing on this? We thought, hey, possibly we had hit that 786, and it might have been it. Jami, thanks so much, dude, for the sub. Welcome, Kings. All right, but look here. Listen. This is very real. This is daily bearish divergence on both oscillators. This is also extremely... I don't even know. No, that's not the way you can word it. This volume is receding extremely... I don't know, man. You get it. The volume is receding. I'm trying to just... Anyway. Not good, man. Not good. 3 variables that coincide that all scream we are screwed. And then you have the 4th variable, which is the rising wedge. Ooh, that's 4 coinciding variables. That is terrible. Cipher, or the pattern here, could very well be a 5th. A 5th variable that coincides. So you got 5 coinciding variables here saying bad for you, Bitcoin. That's it. So it would give us reason to believe that the sell-off will happen within a matter of time. It could do anything it wants, dude. It can go as crazy as it wants before dumping, but you're looking for that big move at some point, all right? Hey, did you ever go, man? Then join another month, man. Gangs. All right, thank you, man. Sit, dude. Or it could just run up and hit this area of resistance again, or go a little higher and then dump, man. Like, it doesn't have to do this at all. It's going to be really tough to do that because of the pattern, right? The harmonic with an entry around the 786. 786 and the 1414 fib extension. That's the zone right here, the zone of entry between that top trend line is the 1618 and the bottom trend line is the 786, all right? Right here. So... good luck on this chart, dude. Good freaking luck. Thanks again for the contribution, dude. All right. Mr. Don Juan, dude. Much love. Drinks are on you if we moon, dude. Well, we've mooned. I mean, for most of the community that's been here before this pop, we have mooned. Hardcore. Parkour. Jamie S, man, oh my god, it's the Ravencoin Jesus, man, the legend, dude, himself. Will the price drop again? Of course. SR, it's going to drop, it's going to pop, it's going to drop, it's going to pop. The ebbs and flows of trading. Okay. All right. Now and again, it still melts. Gosh dang it, man. I changed the encoding setting. Kind of melty. God. No, little, sometimes. See, that's not good. A little bit and sometimes is bad. All right. Wow. That's true, Leander. ETC might be garbage, but it made money. Dude, I'm just... All these assets, right? Most of them have no underlying fundamental value, so you can really only rely on the charts. And when you get extremely oversold and you start hitting areas of support, whether it's a fib extension or if it's some support back from a year and a half ago, after just going straight down for so long, you will retrace to the upside, and we can see it on significant time scales. We can call it a mile away, like literally a mile plus away, like 32 miles away. That's what technical analysis does. So I don't even know, man. Mixed emotions on the melting screens. Crypto World, read your message. You want to join the Patreon? What were you saying, Crypto World, dude? It's really tough, man. There's a lot of chat, so it's like I'm struggling, man. Struggling. But thanks for the consideration of joining Patreon, Crypto World. Okay, dude. Thank you, man. We have 111 members strong now. All-time highs on Patreon. Thank you all so much for making this possible. Okay, you just saw the screen melt for the first time. Gosh, I'll figure it out, Johnny, man. And thanks again for that offer, dude. North Cali, man. That's beautiful, beautiful pics, man. Sorry, I just been scrambling hard to get live, man. Ice Poseidon too, Matthew. Poor Ice Poseidon, man. Well, I guess that's what happens when you don't listen to your community for like a year, right, Matthew? I'm just saying. I mean, he even admitted he just completely ignored his entire community. Hey, Dom, man. Dom Urbano, thanks for joining House Harmonic Kings, dude. Welcome. DJ Joe Public, Mitch, first thing I do every day is watch your stream, check my positions. Hey, man. Very cool that I'm part of your day, man. You're the beginning of your day. That makes me feel all warm inside. Screen melt, no acid, yep. Crypto World, I'm reading, man. I'm reading. But you're saying you want to join the Patreon, and I'm saying, hey, man, thank you, dude. I'm just behind, though. Really, really behind. That's right, Dev. Drugs are bad, okay? Hey, Coach K, man, you made it, dude. Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. Well, you can look at ICX, Chucky. Thanks for being here, Chucky, man. All right, we analyzed the crap out of this earlier today in the day stream. We actually did education on triangles. All three triangles, we taught you how to look at them. Okay, the psychology of each one. Check it out on the day stream if you haven't. Dude, I don't know. The day stream's like hidden. It's like saying still processing for me on my dashboard or whatever. My my content creator dashboard. So ICX, man, it has just begun. I mean, from the height of the wedge to the bottom, you're 50% retrace. And that's what you hit before you sold off. So I think we could still go higher. Right now, what's happened is we got a daily golden cross just yesterday. Or the 5th. You're crossing around the 5th and 6th. So there it is, man. That is the prerequisite to any sort of sustained uptrend. More long sustained uptrend. All right. But this could take so long. It could take us so long, dude. Months to get over here. Just because everything's relative to time. The time you were in this downsloping structure from April 27th to September 23rd, it could take you almost just as long to get to these areas to make the retrace, just the common retrace, the peasant retrace. 2147. There's your ICX. That's it, man. All right, you broke out, man. You were exhausted. Let's do this, man. Remember perspective. huge move up for a year or like, 8-9 months, and then you broke out of the pattern, then you started forming a bearish pattern, and then you started double topping, clearly couldn't break to the upside anymore, and you're now below all 3 moving averages. You have a death cross now. Just kidding. Okay, just kidding. See what you can do, ICX man. See what you can do. Holy crap. Ken Debris is called XRP trash. Uh-oh. Shots fired again. Oh my god. Whoop. There goes all my chat. Bet still within the uptrending channel. There you go, man. Yeah, VeChain doing things too, man. A lot of these things doing things, right? All these altcoins doing things. John Doe says ICE is the worst CEO in the history of CEOs. He's not much of a CEO anymore, I guess, right? Kind of tell me, what are you talking about? Knowles? Dave Jones, man? Knowles Connect? We can look at Knowles Connect again. Whatever, dude. We'll go right now, dude. Knowles been doing wonderful. Right? The harmonic stuff, XABCD, 88.6% retrace with bullish divergence on the daily MACD. Daily bullish divergence on the RSI. 1414 fib extension right around there. Pretty nice. Okay, so critical supports with the divergence, coinciding variables, good stuff, man. You broke to the upside and now you've golden crossed just like ICX. Wow. Again, if you're going from the major discernible, only discernible daily swing high to low, that retrace between 30,419 and 42,989. Okay, that's it. That's what we could expect in time, especially the fact that we hit the 236. Now, we could always just sell off and be screwed because you can always just make a 23% retrace and dump. But it's not as common as retracing 38% and then selling off and being screwed. Okay, so really the 236 is there to let us know that an actual real swing low is in. So we now have permission to fib from the high point to low point and it be valid. Okay, that's what that 236 is for the most part. It's also used for flags, bull flags and stuff when you're retracing. Crypto world, I'm not a day trader. Okay, so I just swing trade. Okay. But yeah, you get tons of help. But you have to, if you're going to join the Patreon, you better be ready to invest in yourself, because whether you join the Patreon or not, you better be investing in yourself. Okay, so if you want something handed to you, trading's not for you. I'm sorry, trading will not be for you. If you just want stuff handed to you, you must put in stupid amounts of work and hours to learning this, mastering this, experimenting, trial and error, paper trading. Dude, there's so much involved with it. So trading is not for the faint of heart, and you better be patient. Really, really patient. If you're new. Okay. Just reading some chat, okay? Hey Jur, I don't know, man. I mean, does anyone care about ZER Connect? A fork of Zcash? Anyone? Does anyone care about ZER to BTC? I don't think so. Hey, Jared, man. Sorry, man. What's up, Paul NZ, dude? When we get unsubbed from people sometimes on YouTube, he was unsubbed from... Dude, I don't know. I don't know. No idea what getting unsubbed from a channel means, dude. I don't know. I'm sorry. Ragsdale sample drop for the new signups. Johnny, man. Dude, it's not even working, man. It's so stupid. Devin Thomas, or Devin, yeah, sorry. His name would have popped up anyway. Devin T. We were live when he pledged, and it didn't show up. It's so stupid. But like, I'll go into the, I'll do an example and it'll work, right? So I'll for Devin, I'll do the test pledge for him because it means a lot, right? Is that a joint? There you go, Johnny Prophet. That was for you, okay? Oh my God, what was that? Oh, the benefits, crypto worlds. Well, here's the thing about Patreon. Okay, I want everyone to have this mentality if they decide they want to do the Patreon. You don't go to the Patreon for the benefits, for the amenities that we offer you. You go and join the Patreon because you say, hey, I appreciate what you do every day, Ray. You keep coming back. You're showing up at freaking 1 a.m., 2 a.m. and streaming when when you were late, when you're handling stuff in real life, even though you stream 7 days a week, pretty much twice a day, and you make static videos now, make your own thumbnails. You somehow try to manage your own accounts, right? I appreciate that. So I'm joining. That's why you join the Patreon. Okay. But yes, of course, we do have trade setups, extremely valuable education on so many different things. The way we trade with swing trades, okay? And then we also have Discord exclusivity where I post charts. You can talk to me. You can ping me and ask me questions about a trade setup or a chart itself. That's what the Patreon has. But again, you don't join for the amenities. You join to literally support me as a content creator. That's what Patreon's about. Okay? You got to have the right mentality going into Patreon. And I make that abundantly clear. Okay. Good Lord. Chucky, man, what the heck, dude? I did nulls for you just now. I didn't even see a thank you, man. You just want the next coin, don't you? Steps to D. Schmitz, man. Felipe, we actually already did Verge Connect. Yeah, Papa. Now, of course, I've charted waves before. It's been a long time, though. Thanks, Drew, man. Much love. Hey, Matt Kinley. How you doing, man? Hey, what's up, Renaissance King, man? Cone-based cones. What about the cone-based coins? Let's go back to Bitcoin. Well, we've been live for 45 minutes. Whatever, man. All right. Daily time scale. All right. You're still above the 618. Grand. Wonderful. And we talked about recently with the wick we made, the highest high of the day was the highest high we've seen of this impulse, of this entire move up, which is great. Showing strength. Showing strength. You broke the pennant. Beautiful, man. All right. Uh-oh, Eternal saying Ravencoin top 10 soon. Oh, boy. Maybe so, man. Maybe so, dude. Dang, dude. That's awesome. Hey, look what Drew Crew posted a picture. Love it, man. Friggin' love it. I'm on the big screen. Oh my god.
LTC/BTC in an ascending triangle? Or am I just sleepy? Thanks for coming on late.
Thanks, dude. For the sailboats, as always. Oh. Crazy, man. This one's just nuts, dude. All right. Nuts. Ascending triangle. Dude, I don't know. Look at that divergence. That's so insane. I don't think so. I mean, like, where are the anchor points for the bottom? Like, you don't really have them. Okay. So you ran up, you sold off one wick. What is this? That means you broke out of the triangle, if that's the case, right? It's already been broken if it was, right? If you're talking about this, 1, 2, right? Is that it? Is that it? No. Is this it? We don't know. We have to pivot, man. We don't have the swing low yet. So no, of course it's not a valid ascending triangle of any sort yet, but maybe it might be a good theory. It might be something to think about, right there. That big resistance, big sell wall. And you'd expect some sort of huge sell off on the double top because of, look at this nasty bearish divergence. Good Lord, man. I mean, that's a lot of divergence right there, dude. And you're back inside that crazy upsloping channel too. Beautiful channel. I mean, that is wonderful channel. So nah, man, nah. I don't think so. It looks more like a pretty double top. 16,509 is that bottom that gives you the discernible tops. Whew. Love you too, Kyle, man. Thanks, dude. No, unfortunately, Crypto World, because we go through Patreon, so we can't do cryptocurrency payment for Patreon because they process the payment before it even happens where we would get it, right? So no, man, I know people asked about a cryptocurrency way, but like we just can't do it because it's all them third-party stuff. Now one day we'll be working on having our own like Patreon where it's not through Patreon, but that's I think a long way off, and then we would probably be able to do crypto payments or something for it. Just can't right now, so sorry, man. Thanks for the inquiry. And then Bradford also was in there. Nice, dude. Hey, said, man, how you doing, dude? You hope I have a great day. Shoot, man, I guess it is day, or not really. No, it's 2 a.m. Eastern right now. Just came on live to do some coin analysis, to hang out with y'all. Have a good time, all right? Morning in Croatia. Filippo, man, say hello to Queen Cersei, all right, over at King's Landing. Sweet. Sorry, man. I'm just kind of sucking wind at this time. Yeah, dude, we can look at Bitcoin Cash USD. Hear me out for a second. This one's... All right, we'll go back to the 4 hour. I'll start at the daily so you can see what happened, all right? So after that huge fork, right, the fork, the Roger Ver, Craig Wright S show, right? That was a drunken horror show. We created some sort of downsloping channel, but then thankfully anchor point 1 and 2 and 3, and then look what happened when we got out of it, man. We started our own upsloping channel. Okay, I know it looks confusing right now, and really you're out of it anyway. You probably didn't have enough time for that to develop. But as you can see, when you broke the downsloping resistance, and it almost looks like it's just mimicking. It tried to mimic Bitcoin's Bitcoin's real Gartley. It just why is this? Okay, wait. No idea why that's there. Let's see, low on. See, this is all weird, man. Real weird. That is not bullish divergence. This low to this low. I guess it's this low to this low is lower low, but you can't like cherry pick like that. Anyway, you just made that higher low. You retraced about 78% of the way from the low to high. That's 78 right there, man. Okay, and then just kept up sloping. Did what Bitcoin did. Then you broke the down sloping resistance, the momentum shift, and now you're running to the upside. And from your high point, from the crash or whatever, from November 7th, right? to December 15th, just like Bitcoin, how we fibbed it. You've hit the 50% retrace and you've gone no higher. Extremely overbought, 82, high risk. You're above all 3 moving averages now. That's wonderful. Very cool to see that. Pattern development that we got to go to the 4 hour, right? Got to now. I mean, probably upsloping flag like Bitcoin, and then probably a variation of a pennant or triangle or something. Yeah, there it is, man. Perfect, I think. So you look at it like that. Okay. Okay, impulse up. Now you're upsloping your consolidation. That sucks, dude. I don't really know, man. People be like, is that a pennant, dude? Dude, there's tons of white space, and then it's like, I guess you're respecting it, maybe, but I don't know. It doesn't look as good as Bitcoin's at all. Well, it didn't anyway. And Bitcoin got out of its, but not BCH. Higher lows, lower levels of negative momentum. That's good. Bullish convergence. So maybe we take another shot. And the thing is, the hypothetical, right? You'd want to see maybe we break to the upside, make some higher highs than the previous highs in the daily or whatever. Or no, really the 4 hour. It would be on both, but you'd say, hey, hypothetical bearish divergence. Maybe we could set up. We get higher prices one more time, and then we could articulate to the market it's time to sell off when we develop this bearish or this bullish histogram wick, right, where it's green, right? You're looking for that. Okay, so we don't have that yet. We'll see if we can get it, and that will give us a much easier, shot of making a trade on a short or something on higher prices. Okay. Ow. Legit chart of BitConnect, Hainsey. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. BCC. Yeah, y'all remember when Bitcoin Cash was actually BCC? Holy crap, man. About to get out of here, I think. I'm just tired, man. But sir, what about the real Bitcoin? Well, we look at it beginning of the stream for the most part, unless the title's different. I gotta show up to move up. Congrats. Thanks, Drew Crew, man. Well, I have to do some renovations to my house, and I've been getting quotes on that, like new deck. Gonna update my bathroom, and kind of want to be around for that. So, cause dude, it's like a lot, to just to have a mortgage and pay rent, right? That's just a lot. So I could stay here while it's going on and save myself thousands of dollars. So yeah, it's coming. It's just I've got to get these things taken care of back on the home front. Drew, man. Drew Crew, man. Sure thing, Emma B. Thanks for being here. Holy crap. Let's just finish it back up with Bitcoin. Dude, dragon, man. Okay, so here you go. It looked like Bitcoin Cash, but it's better. It's higher. It's broke its pennant, but it's still on the upsloping flag. It just broke above the heart line of that channel, right? The upsloping channel. Whew. Very cool. What's up, puzzle solver, man? Nikolai, I can't believe you're kidding me. I can't believe you've done this to me, Nikolai. I thought we were Russian brothers, man. Or something. Okay. Bitcoin connect at critical resistance points again. 618. The 618, man. Go to the daily so you can see it. There it is. There it is. You've broken The 618. I think you're still in the golden pocket. I think you're in the golden pocket till you break above 53.43. All right. So anyway, cool stuff, man. Let's see where we are in the morning. See if we can break these chains. And remember, the top of the channel on Bitcoin's like 55.50. All right, let's see if we can hit the top of the channel. We might. And it would make sense, all the sense of the world, because it would start giving us positive histogram wicks. All right, it would give us the histogram home we're looking for. All right. Oh. Okay, y'all. Okay. So thank you all so much. Real quick, just want to say thanks to the few people that contributed tonight. Kills for a Living, man. Spiracy. Dude, Drew Crew coming in with a C note. I can't even believe it, man. Thank you, dude. Much love, dude. And, oh, that's it. Right? I think so. Yeah, that's it. All right. So thank you so much for the contributions. Thank you so much for the new patrons and the current patrons and just everything and everyone in this community. Y'all are incredible. This is the best community that exists in crypto. Okay? You will not change my mind. And it keeps growing every single day with other good people. All right? So love it. If you're not part of our Discord, well, then get on Discord. Because if you want to keep the conversation going after this stream ends, Discord is the place to do it. You want to get in contact with me or anyone else in this community? Discord is the place to do it. Hit us up over there. Great conversations. And everyone else in the community is TA minded. All right. Everyone wants to learn things. Everyone wants to help people in our community. It's a good thing versus all the bad, all the trash that's out there. There's so much of it. All right. It tries leaking into our stream all the time. We just ban it. Okay. So I'll be back tomorrow. Friggin' love y'all. Till next time. Respect the TA.
Adios, turd nuggets.